Schweid Sons let us come out, having a great time, serving burgers and doing what we do best. We did a hot belly burger. It's got pork belly preserves on it, a little bit of charred mayo, some fermented pickle, and American cheese.
I'm Michael.
I'm Michael.
From Butter Restaurant, representing the Two Mikes Burger, which is bacon, caramelized onion jam,
Sunchuck relish,
pickles, and American cheese.
American cheese.
Now it's our time to announce the 2019 Very Best Burger Award. And it goes to LT Steak and Seafood! Congratulations! And we're here with the Very Best Burger Award winner, LT Steak and Seafood. We're here with the head chef, Laurent Torrendal. Chef, can you tell us what burger you made tonight?
So we made the classic boucher burger with peppered bacon. We had a caramelized onion and barbecue sauce. Your favorite, yeah?
Yes, my favorite, absolutely. So how do you feel right now winning the Burger Bash? Is this your first win?
Yeah, first win. Yeah, very happy. I want to thank all my team at the Betsy Hotel, the chef de cuisine, and all the people who helped me tonight,
Wonderful. Well,
and the festival, and you guys also,
Thank you very much. We're really happy to be supporting you, and you guys did a phenomenal job. Thank you, and congratulations.
Thank you. And thank you for providing the best meat tonight,
Thank you.
Thank you.